to another layer of your ancestors. And one that I'm working on at the moment is Jemima, my great-grandmother. And if I wanted to add something about Jemima, we can have a profile for her, and we can create it or we can pin it if we've already got an existing article. But if we create the profile, we can use a blank one or a married one. And inside this, it gives you a little bit of a template that you can follow so that you've got an idea of how to put together a profile for your ancestor. So an image at early age as a teenager, a young person, or an older person, an introduction in early years, even some scripting there on how you can write it up. And then you might have a photo of the individual as a child in a family portrait, and so on. And then looking at those documents, you might have their birth certificate. You might know a little bit about where they went to school, the major events in their lives, whether they went to war, their adult life, work, marriage, and family, and maybe a wedding portrait. All the way through, you've got clues as to what you can put in place, leading us to the final portion of their final years and a final year portrait, if you've got one. And all of these are tagged with the family name and the individual's name. So I can get started on a profile for my great-grandmother very quickly using that as a template.